In the fashionable London district of Camden Town, city centre apartments are fully furnished and come with free Wi-Fi. Camden Town Underground Station is just over a quarter-mile away and has direct services into central London which take 15 minutes. A full kitchen with cooking facilities and a washing machine are featured in each city centre apartment. The separate lounge area has a sofa and a flat-screen TV with DVD player. Camden Market can be reached in a 5-minute walk and has a wide variety of shops and places to eat. Many music venues are in the local area, such as KOKO, which is just under a 10-minute walk away. Camden is a great choice for travelers interested in theatre, shopping and sightseeing. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.